One recent patient at Taichung's China Medical University Hospital is lucky to be alive. The man was bitten by a snake while on vacation in southern Taiwan. A local doctor simply disinfected the wound and sent him on his way. By the time the man was admitted to the hospital the following day, he was in bad shape. His right foot was swollen and his right leg was turning purple. It turns out the snake that bit the man was a chain snake, one of Taiwan's 5 deadliest snake species. Unfortunately, the hospital did not have any of the anti-venom needed to save the man on hand. Dr. Hong Tongrong rushed to catch the last bullet train of the day to Taipei, where some of the serum was available. He said that if the patient had waited until later that day to come to the hospital, his organs may have failed and he might have died. The man's life was saved, but the incident has exposed a lack of this anti-venom in central Taiwan's hospitals. Both the patient and the doctor have called on the government to fix this situation and prevent another close call. Jake Chen, RTI News.